I'm going to make a fireplace, and for that I rolled out a piece of scrap clay in a setting 2 on my pasta machine. And I'm cutting out the fireplace so it is 1.5 centimeters wide and 1 centimeter high. Here I'm cutting out the opening for the fireplace itself. Now I'm making the brick texture on this one, and remember to do it on the ends and the inside of this little fireplace also. And I also made a little on the top of it so it looks like bricks all the way through. I drawed a chimney design that I'm using here and cutting out of a piece of the scrap clay that I rolled out in a setting 4, so it's a little thinner than the fireplace itself. I'm just cutting it out, and then I'm using a hole punch to make the half circle or semicircle at the bottom of this. And then I'm going to place them together into one piece. And then I'm going to use some of my soft pastel colors to give it a little more color, and I'm using the black one for that. And when I'm ready, I'm going to bake it all together, and then it's almost done. If you don't want the chimney part, then just make the little fireplace and that's it, and then bake it. Then I printed out a piece that fits underneath these small fireplaces with a tiny fire on. I will link for the print sheet in the info box below so you can find them yourself. And I cut them out and glue them on the back side of these small fireplaces. And that's all there is to this little craft in 1/244. I hope you liked it, so give it a thumbs up if you did. Maybe leave a comment if you have something you'd like to know, and please remember the bell so you won't miss out of any of my videos. See you in the next video, and happy crafting!